Hello everyone, this is MT, and in this video I will be showing you how to install Dolby Atmos on any Android phone. Now Dolby Atmos is a sound enhancement system that significantly improves your sound quality. I assume most of you already know it. Now let me show you that I'm running on Android Oreo, as you can see. Now first you have to download the Dolby zip files. I will leave the download links in the description, so you can go ahead and download them. As you can see, I have the Dolby Oreo and Dolby NuGet zip files. Now all you have to do is boot into recovery mode and install them. Install one. Okay, let's go into recovery mode now. I am using TWRP, but this should work with CWM or any other recovery. Just go to install and select the Dolby zip file and swipe to flash it. Literally that's it. You can reboot the system right away. And after a reboot, if successfully installed, you will see a Dolby app on the app drawer. And yes, you have to be rooted to install this zip file. Okay, now let's find the Dolby app. There, as you can see, the Dolby app is successfully installed. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, I hope you press the subscribe button. Peace.